In primetime news this evening, suspect in Daniel Rowe case pointed out during ID parade on Friday. Brutal. Teen set afire by ex-boyfriend in St. Catherine. And Jamaicans fume over increase in electricity bills.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kelisha, I'll give you the latest economic data on the manufacturing and construction industries, and the PIOJ is estimating that they declined in the second quarter, so I'll have those details.
And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Gold Rush!
Yeah, Archie, one more gold for Jamaica on today's 7th day, and 3 more chances for the country to increase its medal tally on day 8. Of course, I'll have all the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
And we'll also have the latest in weather.
There's also going to be sports commentary, E-Prime, and our bite of the week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, who do you think have a better chance of breaking the respective 200 meters world record? Sharika Jackson or Noah Lyles?
Wow.
Give reasons for your answer.
That's going to be one. Share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.